I'm outside Senator Lindsey Graham's home on Capitol Hill. He passed away on Saturday night. It was announced on Sunday by his office. The preliminary results that came out from the DC Medical Examiner point mainly to cardiovascular issues as the cause of death. We'll know more soon when the full results come out. We do know that the senator was returning from a visit to Ukraine. He had just gotten back. He was in his home when this incident occurred. And so the latest in terms of the cause of death is what we know from the preliminary results, but the full results will be coming out soon.